What is up? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka mr.dopestatus on Instagram, and welcome back to another tutorial. So today we are back inside the machine, and I want to show how you can use clips to mute an 808. So if you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications so whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's tutorial, which is using clips to mute an 808. All right, so let's go ahead and start with how this 808 just kind of hangs off the scene here. Let's take a listen. Hear how that 808 just hangs off? Let's listen one more time. Now, that is not what we want. And in other tutorials, I show you how I use a clip such as this one right here, and it's able to mute it. But in this instance, it doesn't work. So let me show you a smarter way to mute this 808 here. So we're halfway there, right? So the first thing we did was create a clip. Now, the next thing we want to do, we want to come down to this icon here and select a choke group. So I'm using choke group 1, so I have the 808 here, and then on sound 2, I have no sound. And what I want to do, I want to hold shift and select these two here. So 1 and 2, and select it, come down to a choke group, I have it set to 1, and now it's going to cut each other off. So only one note is basically playing out of time. So notice how I named on channel 2 here, or sound 2, I have it set to mute. Now that is where I want to place this note here, right here on bar 17. So it's the beginning of verse number 1. And I can go ahead and retitle this as mute as well. So now when I play the track, it should mute. So as you just heard, you hear that seamless transition. Again, this is before. And then this is after. And that's pretty much the tutorial. So I hope you guys found this valuable. If you did, give it a thumbs up and we will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. We out.